Hello guys, today I'll talk about what is dynamic programming. Basically, dynamic programming is mainly a optimization over plain recursion. Whenever we see a recursive solution that has repeated calls for the same inputs, we can optimize it using dynamic programming. The idea is to simply store the results of subprograms so that we do not have to recompute them when we need it later. This simple optimization reduces time complexity from exponential to polynomial. For example, if we write a simple recursive solution for Fibonacci numbers, we get exponential time complexity, and if we optimize it by storing solution of subprograms, time complexity reduces to linear. Here in this image, you can see that there is a recursive function fib. For example, if I call fib3, then and again after this, if I call fib3 here, I do not call this fib3 because before fib3 I already gained fib3 value. That's why it's reduced the time complexity. In simple word, if I say that what is dynamic programming is, if there is a complex program, we just have to divide that complex program into some sub problems. After that, we just have to solve that sub problems, and then we can easily solve the complex problem. Okay, that's all.